Hi, Geminis. I am here to do your reading, Gemini. Okay, these are not personal readings. These are energy readings, meaning I can only pick up on the strongest energy. Okay, Geminis. Remember, the energy can be really, really good or really, really bad. Okay, I can only pick up on the strongest energy. Did I just steal my other earring? Yeah. But Gemini, if you want a personal reading, all of the information is down below, okay? That's for a personal reading. This is a energy reading, okay? Um, I am going to pick you out a message, what you need to hear at this time, okay? I will call in my ancestors and Archangel Michael to get your energy, okay, Gemini? Yes, Gemini. So this here is my Hindu, okay. Yeah, I love Hindu. I love Hindu music, everything about it, okay. Um, I just decided to do something a little bit different, okay. Archangel Michael, ancestors, please come in for Gemini, please. Please come in for Gemini. Give me the message that Gemini needs to hear at this time. Please give me the message for Gemini. Okay, Gemini. Let's get your message. This is for Gemini. Okay. Okay. Stop explaining yourself. Okay. They'll never like you. Wow. Um, you're probably explaining yourself to somebody that doesn't want to like you. Okay. Somebody is, you're explaining yourself to people that will never like you. Okay. Just don't explain yourself. Yeah. I don't like that energy. You could be sitting around a person and explaining how you feel or your business or whatever, and they want to just know that you're sad or whatever the case may be. Okay, Gemini? Yeah. Keep your grass cut low, them snakes. All right, Gemini, let's get a oracle card out for you from spirit and see exactly what spirit wants to say to you. Okay, Gemini? Archangel Michael, please come through for Gemini. What is the message that Gemini needs to hear at this time? Please. Archangel Michael, what is the message that Gemini needs to hear? What is the message for Gemini? Oops, too many cards. What is the message for Gemini? This is Gemini's reading. What is the message that Gemini needs to hear at this time? What is the message that Gemini needs to hear at this time? Please, Spirit. Wow. Okay, I got four cards out for you. Okay. So, um, Gemini, you have the number four here in your energy. Okay. Authority. You might be dealing with an authority figure. This is my boss card. You could be coming up as the boss. Okay. Yeah. So you might be dealing with an authority figure, or you might be come in contact with the police, okay? Just watch it, Gemini, okay? But Yeah, 444. You probably have been seeing that number, okay? I'm bossy. Yeah, so the number 4 is in your energy. Also, the number 11, okay? Balance. Okay, there is an angelic being around you, okay? To give you more balance and stability, okay? This is the number 11. You probably have been seeing 111 or 1111, okay? But that is a sign from spirit, okay? Also, here you have rejoice in celebration, okay? So you're collaborating with someone or with spirit, okay? This is the number 333, okay? There could be some type of coming together in a family union, a business, or even a love situation here, okay? Also here, spiritual strength, the number 9. This came out for you. Having spiritual strength, like I said, there's an angelic being that is around you that's trying to help you, okay? This is the number 9, spiritual strength, okay? Um, Praying even for spiritual strength, okay? Or someone you know is praying for spiritual strength, okay? So take authority of your life. And like the message said, don't explain stuff to people because you're coming off as an authority figure, okay? You could be a CEO, a boss, a supervisor, or anything like that, okay? But yeah, it calls for more balance, okay? Especially when you don't make friends where you have business going on, okay? All right, Gemini. Let's see what your energy looks like. This is for Gemini. Spirit, please come in for Gemini. What is Gemini's energy at this time? Please give me Gemini's energy at this time. This is for Gemini. Please give me Gemini's energy. Archangel Michael, come through for Gemini. Okay, Gemini, I sent you what is it? The 10 of Wands. You might be working really hard on something here. Give me Gemini's energy. Please give me Gemini's energy. Okay, I'm gonna take those two since they were at the top. All right, Gemini, you're coming out as Sun. Okay, so yeah, yeah, you probably are taking control of your life. Okay, um, someone values you, but you value your friends and your relationships. Okay, the Ten of Cups, also with the Sun card. Okay, this is really, really good here. This is really nice. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it came out anyways. The Ten of Wands. Okay. There's something going on with your business. Okay. You're working too hard. Um, you're working too hard on something here. Okay. This could be a family situation. You're working so hard to get your to get your family together or your love situation together. You're trying to be the boss of your household, okay? And I don't want to say trying, I want to say you are, but with the 10 of Wands here, you're putting in a lot of work, okay, for a family situation. You're putting in a lot of work. The person that Gemini is dealing with, please. The person that Gemini is dealing with. All right, Gemini. We have the Queen of Cups, okay? So you could have Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Uh, Someone here is very wise, okay? Someone here is very loving and devoted, okay? And also here, the person you're dealing with, they're picking up the pieces, it looks like. The Seven of Pentacles, this person is studying on their pentacles, okay? This person is very focused on their pentacles, okay? In a family situation. You're giving a lot of love to, this might be a water sign here. And the High Priestess here, the secret thinker, okay? This could be a marriage, okay? This person, okay, so you're working hard on your marriage. You're working hard on your marriage. Um, you value your coins and you're showing a lot of love. Okay, Gemini? You're really showing a lot of love. Good, Gemini. What does it look like from the outside looking in, please? What does it look like from the outside looking in? What does it look like from the outside looking in? Let me get a card from the outside. Oh, wow. Cancer energy here, okay? Moving forward, pushing, okay? Okay, you have someone that's moving forward with you, okay? And the Knight of Cups at the back of the bottom of the deck, okay? This love offer, this union, okay? This is a very loving situation here, okay? Yes, Gemini. Let's see here. Let's clarify everything for you, Gemini. What is the Sun card for Gemini? So you're working really hard. You're working hard, okay? Just keep pushing. What is the Sun card for Gemini? The Sun. The Sun. The Sun for Gemini. Someone is showing you a lot of love. Oh my goodness, Gemini. The Sun with the Sun. Oh my goodness. Yes, Gemini. Wow, that is crazy. What is the Ten of Cups? Yes, you have the Sun in your energy, Gemini. This is beautiful, honey. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Okay, yeah. The merchant. You're coming up as the merchant. Okay, for your family, like I said, you're working hard to be the boss of your family. You're working hard to be the you are the king of pentacles when it comes to valuing your love life and your family situation. You are doing a good job, Gemini. Wow. You're working hard to be sensitive to someone else's feelings, to a marriage situation, a love situation. You're really working hard on this, okay? You are not afraid to be yourself, okay? So this is the Sun card with the Sun card in your energy. Two different decks, the Sun and the Sun. Very beautiful here, okay? You could be dealing with the what is this? Leo, a Leo here. Also here you have the Ten of Cups with the Merchant, okay? This is beautiful here. Taking care of home, taking care of the family. This is contentment, a happy heart, perfection, okay? You're taking care of home, okay? You're taking care of a married situation, a love situation here. And the number 10 here, you are being very responsible, Okay, you're working hard to be sensitive um, to a love union and to a situation here. This here is someone loves how you're working hard to just be yourself. Okay, your masculine and feminine side is showing. Okay, wow, that is beautiful. That is the Knight of Chalices here. It is a man smelling a rose. Okay, um, we all have masculine and feminine energy. Okay, we all have this energy. Okay, this is beautiful when you can just relax and be yourself. Okay, smell the roses. Okay, let's see what the Queen of Cups is here. What is the Queen of Cups for Gemini? The Queen of Cups. Oh, oh wow. What? Okay, you're shining and working hard. What is the Two of Swords doing here? This person is all in their head with some type of conflict. This person, are you, you're working hard. Okay, I got to check your person's energy out now. I don't know why they're in their head. This person is some type of duel battle. This person at war with you? The Queen of Cups here? Why is she in her head? Okay, let's see what the Seven of Pentacles is. So this person wants, what is the Seven of Pentacles, please? This person might be in isolation with their money. This person has secrets about money. This person has secrets about money. Oh, why did this just change into something else? Uh, the Moon card came out. Wow. The High Priestess with the High Priestess. This person is in their head. You have the Sun card, okay, twice. You might have two sons. Oh wow. This person is hiding something from you, okay, Gemini? In a marriage situation or a love situation, there is a secret here. There's illusions around money. Wow. The Moon card with the Seven of Pentacles. And you over here just happy as hell. Um, there's something here about a money situation that is causing illusions for the family and for the Pentacles. You are the King of Pentacles. We got Cancer twice. We have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. We have a Leo. I'm just telling you the energies, okay? I'm just telling you what the energies are on the table. You can take the energies how you want to take the energies, but I'm just going to tell you what I see. And we have the High Priestess twice. There's a secret in this marriage. You're working hard on your masculine and your feminine side. You're working hard on not being pushy. Okay, now I gotta go to the Dark Tarot. and break this person down. This person has a lot of secrets here. Jeez Louise. Okay, what is the Queen of Cups with the Two of Swords, please? Archangel Michael, come in for the World card. This person is closing out a cycle. What the hell? This person is closing out a cycle. This person is might be having sex. This person coming off sexy is I don't know what though, but this person wants to close out a cycle. This person is in their head. This is a battle for this person. This person wants to close out a cycle, Gemini. We have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio here. Oof. What is the Moon card with the Seven of Pentacles, please? Spirit, make it plain. Help me explain this person's energy. The Seven of Wands. Okay, this person wants victory. The High Priestess, please. In a money situation, this person might be this person is probably hiding money to close out a cycle. Okay, this person is the Wheel of Fortune here. In a marriage situation, this person is the Wheel of Fortune. This person is fortunate to have you, girl. Okay, this person is the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, your person has rules, okay? There's levels to this shit. You hear me? This person has rules. The Ten of Pentacles here, okay? This person has rules, or they're going to close out a cycle. You either act right, get your shit together, or I'm going to close out the cycle for you, okay? And you don't want this person to close out a cycle for you. Okay, I see what it is now. So there's a lot of love here. You're showing a lot of love and appreciation to this person that was closing out a cycle. This person has the Wheel of Fortune in their favor, okay? In a marriage situation, okay? This person is the secret thinker here. Very secret thinker, okay? And this person has a secret on to how to make money, okay? This person wants to have victory and success in a money situation. Okay, I get it now. I was like, wait a minute, what's going on? Yeah, this person was probably battling with you to act right. Act right. Get together and act right. Okay, the Chariot with the Chariot with the Ten of Chalices, with the Ten of Cups. Oh, this is beautiful, Gemini. This is beautiful here. Yes. The Knight of Cups here. I'm not gonna take that. But someone could have been riding on a lie in the past, okay? Um, but why do this always just turn? Anyways, this is the good part about it. We have the Chariot with the Ten of Chalices here. Okay, moving forward. The Ten of Chalices in the dark tarot, dressed in the finest clothes, whether I'm going to a wedding, no matter what function I'm going to, whatever I do, I am a warrior. Okay? If any shit break out, I am a warrior. That's how you're coming up. You're moving forward, okay? Dressed in the finest clothes. You are a warrior, okay? Also here, the Knight of Cups here, okay? Ugh, there's a love offer. Maybe in the past with the five of, you probably made a love offer to someone here, and this person, the person you're dealing with, no matter what they touch, no matter what they do, they destroy it. They destroy it, okay? This person has Edward Scissorhands here, okay? Even if I try to love you, I'm going to cut you up. Even if I try to hug you, you're going to get cut, okay? You or them, no bullshit. Okay, so, yeah, Gemini. Uh, Gemini, you know what y'all be doing to me? Y'all be having, like, some some great readings or be going through some warrior shit, okay? But I see this here. She gives me love, 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 crazy love. Yeah, I see some crazy love going on here, but your love life is wonderful, okay, Gemini? Your person is not going to play with you though, okay? This person is not going to play with you, Gemini. All right, Gemini. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.